I'm genuinely sorry about the colour, but this is the latest addition to my family. This is Cleo. She's my little Sphynx cat, and I've just brought her home, and this is all very, very new for her and for me, because I've never had a Sphynx before. But as you can see, she's been inquisitive. That's where the other cats have shredded me bed. But she is absolutely, she's lovely. She really is. She's very vocal. I want to bloody stand on her. Oh, good grief, where's she gone? Look, she's just disappeared. She's probably gone exploring, but I don't know where. She's here, look. There she is. Let's see if we can get her out. So, this is day one. I've just brought Cleo here, who was born on the 12th of July. So she's still very much a kitten. I've just brought her in to have a look at her, and she's a remarkable little cat. Very vocal, and also seemingly quite friendly, but she's just had a bit of a traumatic journey. And this is the first time, obviously. This is a new home. She's away from her siblings. She's away from her mum and dad. So she's probably just a little bit, what the heck is going on? Cleo! See if I can... There we are. Oh, flash is probably a bit bright for her. She's got lovely eyes, and she's got lovely wrinkles, and she's got a tail like a rat. But she's a lovely little cat. I think I'm just going to leave her in peace for a bit now. I'll go and get a litter tray, and I'll get her a bit of food and water. So she's had a bit of an arduous journey. Always an encouraging sign. I think this is the same kind of cat litter that they were using. This is... I'll go and get her some food and water. But she seems to know what that is. And she's got a nice little hidey place just tucked under there. So I'm just going to keep the other cats out of the way as well. So I think we'll just go and get her some water and some food, and then she can chill down. For when she comes again, look. She can chill down a little bit. She really is quite adorable. Oh, I can see she's going to be trouble. I really can. This cat's going to be a problem. In the nicest possible sense. Cleo! Good girl. She's found scratching post. Straight away. Oh yeah. Oh, you like that, don't you? Oh, yes, my little girl. Go on. She's bloody hanging off it. She has just, to be fair, on the journey home, she has thrown up all her food. And I am surprised because people who were looking after her were feeding her adult cat food. So she's thrown up these massive chunks. Even I'd be chuffing hard pressed to swallow them. So here she is, look. She's an inquisitive little cat. So she's got some kitten food there and some clean water and some litter, and there's my heated blanket under there for her. Here she is. Hello. Hello. Oh, she is just so... It's weird. Hello. Cleo. Hello. 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 Oh, here we go. This is all good, this, because she's, as you can see, she's settling. She's settling down a little bit. It's all a bit of an adventure for her. Isn't it, little girl? Hello. Hello. Cleo. Hello. Hello. I don't want her to treat the hand as a... I want her to know it's a plaything, but it's a nice plaything. And look at her later. Can't see me getting much sleep tonight. So. Oh, she really is quite somewhat else. What was that? Oh, she really is quite adorable. She's quite gentle actually. She's not. So it's what, 7:10 in the morning. So this is a second meal, and she's absolutely hammering it, bless her. But I've spent all night with a hot water bottle, i.e. her, just tucked up, and I've barely slept, because if I roll over on her, anyhow, she's a lovely little cat. She's inquisitive, she's affectionate, as you can see, she's hungry. I don't know what the hell that is, flicking away like that, I really don't. It must be my LED lights. But here she is. Come on, my little girl. You lap that up. Every time I look at her, she reminds me of a little rat. Touching her is like, it's like a chamois leather. It's really weird. You actually encounter resistance on her skin, because there's such little fur. And yeah, I'll let her finish a meal. So this is, well, I suppose it's day 2. Last night, as I say, I daren't move in bed. She was snuggled up. I've had to go out for an hour or two this morning, and she's saved all the pent-up energy for when I get back. But she is an adorable little cat, and she's filled with character. She's already bloody drawn blood on me, so I'm going to have to get her claws trimmed. But as you can see, she's a lively, inquisitive little cat. I've sort of introduced her to the other 2 cats. They're a little bit, what the hell is that? What is this thing? So they're a little bit hissy and a little bit cautious. And she is a little bit rambunctious. So she might be a little bit too much for Pepper and Squeak. Cleo! That's what I've decided to call her. But she seems highly amused at the minute. Cleo. Oh, there she is. Get off. Lovely shot there. Cleo. She hasn't been introduced to the vacuum cleaner yet. She was watching The Prisoner last night intently as I tried to get to sleep. Anyhow, I shall be back with some more later.